Today, I'll show you how to integrate Klaviyo with HubSpot. If you're looking to streamline your marketing efforts and enhance customer engagement, connecting these two powerful platforms is the way to go. By the end of this tutorial, you'll have a seamless integration set up, allowing you to take full advantage of the features offered by both HubSpot and Klaviyo. Let's dive right in. First, ensure you're logged into your HubSpot account. This is your starting point, as you'll be utilizing HubSpot's built-in tools to facilitate the integration. Once you're logged in, direct your attention to the top navigation bar. Here, you'll find an icon that looks like a storefront or a shopping bag. This is the marketplace icon. Clicking on it will take you to the app marketplace, where you can find a variety of applications and integrations to enhance your HubSpot experience. Once you're in the app marketplace, locate the search bar. This tool is incredibly handy for quickly finding the specific app you need. Type in Klaviyo and press enter. You should see the official Klaviyo by HubSpot app appear in the search results. Go ahead and click on it to proceed. Now, you'll be on the apps page where you can learn more about its features and benefits. To start the integration process, look to the top right corner of the page and click on the button that says Install App. This is the key step in initiating the connection between Klaviyo and HubSpot. After clicking Install App, a prompt will appear on your screen. This is where you'll need to input your Klaviyo credentials. Specifically, you'll be asked to add your API key. If you're not sure where to find your API key, simply log into your Klaviyo account, head to the account settings, and navigate to the API keys section. Copy the API key and return to the HubSpot prompt to paste it in. Once you've entered your API key, click Connect. This action will finalize the integration process, linking your Klaviyo account with HubSpot. It's a straightforward process, but ensuring the correct API key is entered is crucial for a successful connection. By completing these steps, you've successfully integrated Klaviyo with HubSpot. This integration allows you to synchronize data between the two platforms, enhancing your ability to create targeted marketing campaigns and manage customer relationships more effectively. You can now leverage the robust features of Klaviyo within the HubSpot ecosystem, enabling you to automate communications, personalize customer interactions, and gain deeper insights into your audience's behavior. Remember, the key to a successful integration is double-checking your credentials and ensuring you have the correct permissions set up in both platforms. If you encounter any issues, both HubSpot and Klaviyo offer comprehensive support resources to assist you. Thank you for watching this tutorial. I hope you found it helpful and that it enhances your marketing efforts. Be sure to explore other integrations available in the HubSpot marketplace to further optimize your workflow. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to leave a comment below. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials like this one. Happy marketing!